All right, y'all, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another Powerstrokerick video. Today, we got a truck. We got trucks everywhere, y'all. We got some product spotlight we're gonna do for you guys. We got some Auxito taillights for this Chevy 15 hundo. It is in dire need of some taillights, so we need some bright reverse lights. We need some bright brake lights, because we don't need nobody clipping us, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you a little before and after, little install video. I mean, it's about 5 minutes to install them, so you already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. And yeah, at the end of this video, I will have in the description, go to auxito.com. The link is in my bio of my Instagram. Use code Powerstrokerick at purchase. So they got it all, guys. They got tail lights, mud flaps, seat covers, headlight bulbs, tail light bulbs. They got a whole bunch of different stuff. So we're gonna show you getting rid of these old crusty tail lights, and we're gonna put the new ones in. So we're gonna do a little unboxing here, and we're gonna show you these nice tail lights. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Peace. Welcome back to the Powerstrokerick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. Unboxing video here of our Auxito tail lights for the Chevy 08 to 2013 15 hundo. Let's see what we got here. Oh my Lord. Damn! Look at these things, man. Let me see if I can give you a little preview. I don't know if you can see that, if you get in on that. Man, these are little sweat boxes. We went with the smoked LED, and we'll show you the harness and everything. You got this little resistor and everything, plug and play. So that is nice. Auxito. So we're gonna show you. I'll probably put a time lapse on of putting them in. I'll show you. You got a couple Phillips over here, and I mean, guys, they're tail lights, but I'm gonna do a little video on them. You got some new screws. They do come with new hardware. Yeah, they'll pop out, and we'll put them in, and we'll show you the wiring if anything is different, which it should not be. It should be plug and play. So nice. All right, y'all. So here's what comes in the box. So I got one this side, one on the back side. So you got your tail lights, Auxito. You got both tail lights. It does come with new hardware. So you do have these two Phillips right here. Here's the whole harness. Should be plug and play. The resistor. They give you some clips and a tab to hang these resistors, because they say they do bring some high heat, so they want them, you know, just secured, not dangling anywhere. So some wire ties, and that is it, guys. Phone mount for the camera, not included. So this is what we're working with right here. So we're gonna pop these bad boys out. I know it might be hard to tell, but I figure we'll do a little before and after. I know it's not the greatest quality of image, but here's just your OEM halogen tail lights, your halogen reverse lights. So yeah. All right, guys, you take the old tail lights out, harness, old harness for the halogens comes with it, because I will show you underneath we have not new, the whole harness for the tail lights, and then we run it right up there, if you can't see, but that's for the right side, and then the left, and they're labeled. So the left goes up top further, but they just unplug, just push connectors. So then we're gonna run it down here and then hook them up. Guys, what do you think about these sweat puppies? Two Phillips screws, and then if you see, I ran the harness down to the middle of the truck by the bumper. Check these bad Larry Hoovers out, man. Look at that. Oh my Lord. That's like a sore dick, you can't beat it. I know that's right. Auxito. I'm gonna say it 100 times. Code Powerstrokerick at checkout. 15% off your purchase. These are nice, man. Very nice. Woo! Also got the little reverse light, running light. Nice, nice, nice. All right, y'all, check them out. Reverse lights, brake light. These are damn sweat box tail lights. What do you think, little man? You like them? He likes them. This thing She's dialed in now. That's a bad Larry Hoover. Look at that. Got the hazards on. Things work pretty damn good. That is the quick little install video on these Auxito tail lights. They're pretty slick, man. I'm not gonna lie. Very cut and dry install, as you guys can tell. You got 2 Phillips screws that go in there. Pop them in. You get the 2 tabs that come back here. Pop them in. The harness. Like I said, you run it down to the little module underneath the bumper. Plug in the other one. You're dialed in. So, as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And again, I know I've said it a couple times, but head over to auxito.com. The link will be in the description and in my Instagram bio as well. And it's code Powerstrokerick, save you 15% off or more on your purchase. I lied, not or more, 15% off. So go see him, go buy some taillights, buy some headlight bulbs, buy some whatever, y'all. So thanks for watching. Peace.